In this video, we're going to be going through another process and another way of finding products for our product research module. This is to find another way of finding products to list on our eBay store. So this one is a little bit more tedious. It is much harder because you do have to find the winning products yourself. This isn't sniping. This is kind of like the Amazon one. But you're not really basing off the bestseller. You're just going to try and find cheap products because cheap products are normally the easiest ones to sell. The cheaper they are, the easier it is to sell. So I'm just went on Target because this is a retailer that's in both, the US, it's in Australia, it's pretty much in everywhere. So I just tried to find a place that is in multiple countries. So this is something that we can all follow along. So what we're doing is pretty much finding the product ourselves from the retailer, kind of like Amazon, but it won't be as easy as Amazon because there aren't that many people dropshipping from Target, as an example. So if we can find the category, here it is, right here. How did I get the category up? Okay, so, well, as you can see, it shows us some popular terms right here. I want that category menu. Okay, so I managed to get the category menu up. So one category that I really recommend that's kind of easy to sell, and I used to sell in it when I first started, was home appliances. So this could be, here, kitchen appliances, that's an example. This is something that's kind of easy to sell in. So once you're in here, just go to the cheapest. You can sell some of these best sellers. These ones have 20 reviews, 70 reviews. But selling bang, like this toaster right here, or this sandwich maker would be amazing. So I think the profit per... the shipping is around $9 to metro area. So if we factor that in, that'll be $16. And if we just search up a 2-slice toaster, I know Kmart do sell these as well, but Kmart shipping is higher. So this one's from Big W, straight up we can just see. The average price, it would be around $30. So if we sell ours for $16, and we can probably sell it for around maybe $24.99, and we buy it for $16, you've already made yourself $5 profit right there. So the key when you're doing this though is you'll have to SEO rank, and you'll have to learn how to rank yours above Big W and above this guy's one, as an example, because we're finding the products ourselves. And this is something I will get into in the next module when it comes to listing your products. How to find the right images and the best way to list it. So don't worry about that. Now, one thing I really recommend, and I actually did this originally when I first started, is I bundle these two together. So it will be $14, but the shipping will still be $9. So instead of paying $16 and $16, you'll be paying $23. So instead of paying $32, you'll be paying $23 to ship it. And that means you can sell these two together, for original $34.99, but it's only going to cost you $23. So technically, actually, if it is going to cost you $16.60 and $32, you'll sell it for maybe $39.95. You can actually maximize your profit by another $5-6 by bundling items together. Kettles as well is a good one. The milkshake maker is one I actually listed when I first started. And I remember that because I remembered that there actually aren't too many items on the market and on eBay that are milkshake makers. Waffle makers, hand mixers, toasters is a big one. These are all items that are everywhere. But popcorn maker and a milkshake maker, they aren't, as common. That's why I listed that item. And that's pretty much it for home appliances. So I wouldn't really recommend going for the other ones, because you do want to find low competition. The reason I do this way is so that there's low competition. You won't be really competing against a lot of other people, because that's the issue when undercutting, is that there'll be 5 of you for one product, right? You'll undercut the lowest guy, so there'll be 6 people competing for that one product. Someone will come in a week and undercut you, and then there'll be 7 people competing for that one product. Then someone will come and undercut that guy, and there'll be 8 people, so it will just continue. There'll be maximum one other competitor, but normally it's just you. So then when you get a sale, you're perfect, you're fine. And you just gotta hope that no one actually undercuts you. So try not to get undercut, and then you should be fine. Another thing you'll have to maybe do is just check your products each week and see if anyone is undercutting you. So I've noticed I've been getting undercut a lot lately, and it's kind of annoying because it does decrease your sales. But as long as you rank high, you should still be getting consistent sales. So another one we can do is we'll try bathroom, because you can maybe try bathroom bins or bathroom toilet rolls, etc. So bang, a soap dispenser. This is something you want to bundle though. So you could do a shower caddy, maybe with face washes, these little towels. That might work. You of course want to bundle, so bang, this is a perfect one right here. So these three, sorry, $15, $9 shipping, $24. Easily can sell it on for $40. I'm telling you that because I've done this before. I've sold items similar to that. You gotta make $10 profit. Easy. That's easy. Perfect item right there. This is definitely gonna have competitors though. So if we search it up, what was it? A roll holder. So 2 roll holders. So we just do a toilet roll holder and a toilet brush. Toilet roll holder. And then we're gonna write brush as well. I'm going to assume that this is already gonna have competition. As you can see, there's one dude here, one dude bang right there, one dude here. That's the same dude who wrote, has a promoter listing. This is another one here. This guy's doing it very cheap as well. I don't think that's the same item though. It might be. If it is, this guy's getting very minimal profit. This guy's going for $22.95. So yeah, that's one you don't want to enter in because that's very competitive already. But that's pretty much how it is. It's just finding cheaper items. You can try more expensive items, but you know, this is for people at the start. Once you are getting more sales, once you understand how eBay works, and once you know how to properly title and sell your listing and market it well, then you can move into a more expensive product. This isn't something I really would recommend unless you're actually starting to get undercut. Like, I start finding my own products recently just because I've been getting undercut a lot. And I want to get more profit on my items. You know, I'm only getting $5-6 profit. I want $10 profit per item. You sell 20 of them, that's $200 profit per day, and it's just easy. So, you know, you can just do stuff like this. Shower caddies, just bundle these two together. Floor mats. Do maybe a floor mat and a caddy, or brush holder and a floor mat. You can do a mirror and a face mat, one of these mats for your face. So it's just items like that. Bundling is the best because you aren't paying as much for shipping. The best is when you sell an item. So for example, you'll sell a mat and then buy 3 mats instead of 1, because that way you actually do save $18 on shipping, which means it's more profit, which is the best. That's my favorite whenever I see an order and it's multiple quantities of the same order. So that's my favorite. But it's just pretty much finding, you know, a cheap item that looks like a winner. You research it, see if it's a winner. For example, if we search up a milkshake maker. That was one of the earlier ones. As you can see, that one was $15, $24. So we're $24, and these guys are all selling it for $77. So if we do go for a cheaper option, there is 105 competitors, you know, all selling these. As you can see, there are some of these ones, $25. You can easily put yours up here and get a lot of profit for it. Why? Because, like, look at it. You know, the cheapest buy now is probably this one. This one looks the most professional, and it's $53. So you can list your one for $39, already, you know, $20 cheaper, and it costs $24, and you've made yourself $10 profit, easy, just like that. So anyways, that's how you find products, just by finding them on your own, and how to analyze, see if they're a winning product or not. This isn't a method that's too common, and I don't see many people doing it now. In the next video, we're going to be going through something called Zik Analytics. This is how you can, it's a third-party website. It's how you can insert a competitor, and it'll tell you all their best-selling products, or you can find products through Zik Analytics, and that's something I'll go through all in my next 2 videos. So I'll see you guys then.